Higgins, als nächstes Frau Kollegin Schaake für 2 Minuten.
Thank you, Chair and colleagues. After a decade of civil war, a peace deal was struck in Nepal in 2006, but unfortunately the country has become less peaceful despite the deal. Political fights are resulting in political instability and hamper important reforms, such as a constitution for the republic, which deadline has recently had to be extended for 1 year. But it also hampers the reintegration and rehabilitation of former PLA combatants. Nepal has such enormous potential to develop economically and to limit the prevailing poverty, but stability is essential in making that happen. Firstly, accountability for the systematic abuse of laws of war needs to urgently happen, including members of the PLA and the state security forces. And the UN should play a role in this process, especially when it comes to the participation in international armed forces. In Nepal itself, the work of the Commission on Disappearances, the Truth and Reconciliation Commission and the Commission on National Peace and Rehabilitation should result in a sense of responsibility for the past, but a stake in a shared future as well. The parties, but also the government, should end political interference in criminal proceedings, to create a politically independent judiciary within the constitutional process, and in the same connection to plan the ratification of the Statute of the International Criminal Court. We call on the EU and the Member States to support all efforts of the Nepalese government and the parties to find a solution to the integration of former Maoist combatants into the National Army or other security forces, and to find viable alternative solutions for those who cannot be integrated. The EU itself should also strictly see to the ban of exporting lethal weapons to Nepal, as well as the export of any tools that can be used for torture or inhumane treatment, as was stated in the resolution which was adopted by this House today. Thank you.
Vielen Dank, Frau Kollegin Schaake. Sie waren jetzt die letzte der Verfasser. Als nächstes die Redner im Namen der Fraktionen. Zunächst Frau Kollegin Băsescu für 1 Minute.
Deși războiul civil care dura de 10 ani s-a încheiat în